welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella from Ella Skincare. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How are you doing? I'm so happy. Today is Sunday and I'm making this video. I haven't made any video in a while. I think for about 2 weeks now. I haven't been consistent with my channel this year, but trust me, I'm going to try to be consistent. Anyway, for this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Rapid White Whitenizer Concentrate. Okay, we all know that the same is used for the face, it's used for this, it's for that. But right now, I'm going to tell you lots of things that you don't know that you can use this for. You can actually use this for your body. You can use this for so many things. I'm going to tell you the side effects you get from this. We're using this in a long run. I'm going to tell you how to get the maximum result from using this. Okay, how to get the best results from using this. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. And check me up if you want to buy any skincare product. I sell supplement, injection, and skincare products, and we deliver worldwide. So just chat me up if you want to buy any skincare product. If you want trainings, I do trainings. We sell ebooks. I do trainings on injection, how to make whitening cocktail, okay, how to treat the skin whitening injections, supplements, skincare products, name it. Anything that have to do with skincare, I teach them. So alright, I'm talking too much. Let's just go straight into this video because I'm excited about this, because I discovered some things about this product that I want to share with you also. Let's just go into the video. Okay, I'm talking too much. Let's go. Alright, lovelies, welcome back. So I'll be reviewing the Rapid White Whitenizer Serum. My nose is white. I don't know, my nose is shiny. I don't know why. Okay, so I'll be reviewing the Rapid White Whitenizer Concentrate, or you can call it a serum. But for me, it's a concentrate. Okay, so I just want to read through it first before I do my proper explanation and how you've been getting this wrong. So it's called the Rapid White Whitenizer Super Spot Removal Cream, and it said it's good for anti-spots, it's good for brightening, and beautifying in 7 days. It's good for patches, it's good for pimples, it's good for anti-aging, and it's good for a whole lot of stuff. I'm going to break it down. That's why this is going to be a little bit long. I'm going to break it down and I'll tell you what this is really good for and what it's not good for. Okay, that's what I'm going to break down. And at the side here, it says apply directly to your sunburn for 7 days only. Okay, if you're eating 7 days only, apply that to your sunburn for 7 days only. Mix with any body lotion or cream. And it also says here that in case of any reaction, discontinue or consult your physician. So it says it cure reaction, sunburn, eczema, rashes, ringworm, and other skin problems due to bleaching cream. Now this place that it said due to bleaching cream, I'll get to it. And also the ingredients here are written in French. So for the ingredients, most of them are written in French, and even some of the things here are written in French. So I had to take my time to translate it, okay? Translate it so I would know what is used for this particular product. We all know that it's nice on the face, but even at that, it has some side effects on the face when it's used on the long run, okay? When it's used on the long run, and most of my students know this. And so after translating it to English, I had to look for the ingredients, because if you're a skincare formulator, you need to know the ingredients that you're using, and if you're not a skincare formulator, you need to know the ingredients that you're using for your skin. It's very important. You need to know that. So one of the ingredients I use is cetyl alcohol, cetylate alcohol, something like that. I'm going to put the ingredients here for you to see, and it has propylene. And it has propylene benzoate. Okay, it contains propylene benzoate, and it also contains betamethasoate. That betamethasoate, man, I'll bite my tongue. I'll put the ingredients here. Okay, I'll write it here. So man, I'll bite my tongue. And it also contains gentamicin. Now let's talk about the ingredients that is used for making this product, and what makes it a whitening product, and what are the things we have to stay away from when using this, if you can use this for your body or not. If you check the container, it says you can use it for your body, Okay, so you can use it for your body. But here on the street of YouTube, they will tell you that you cannot use it for your body, that it's just for your face. And I'm going to prove some things wrong here. Okay, now this ingredient, which is right here, which I'm going to write here, it's steroid. Okay, it's another name for steroid. Okay, we all know that steroid is used for whitening, and the percentage of steroid that is used here is 2.5, and this does not contain hydroquinone. This ingredient does not contain anything like hydroquinone, but it contains steroid, and the steroid that's inside here is a whitening, like real whitening steroid. Okay, that's why it's written that you get your result in 7 days. I know that with products that work in 7 days, we need to be very, very careful when using products that work in just 7 days. Okay, yes, they're nice, but we need to be careful with it. Okay, so it contains steroid, and the next one, which is gentamicin, help with minor skin infection. Is an antibacterial that help with minor skin infection, but it's not going to help with fungal infection. Just in case you want to know. Okay, it will help with minor skin infection. That's why it says it's all for skin reaction, eczema, pimples, and the rest. It's a little bit antibacterial. When you use this on a long run, it will cause redness on your face. Okay, when you use this ingredients on a long run, it causes redness on your face. This same product will help you to treat sunburn, and if you use it on a long run, it will still make you to have serious sunburn. Okay, it will make you to have serious sunburn. That's because of the ingredients that is using it. That's why we need to check our ingredients very well. When it comes to life, skincare, and everything, we learn every day. That's why I tell my students, when you using a product, make sure you look the ingredients of what you are using, so you get your formula right, or you get your recipe right. This also causes burning sensation, because a lot of people that will tell you that when they use this, it gives them burning and some tingling sensation here and there. Not for everybody, but yes, it makes some people to have that tingling sensation or that little burning sensation when they use this on their face. Yes, it's true. It's because of this ingredient. So you're having that burning sensation, doesn't mean that it's going to burn you or it's going to cause any problem for you. So it only cause a little problem for you when you use it in the long run. Same thing with steroid. When you use steroid consistently, it's going to cause problem for you. That's why they say use whitening with sense. You bleach with your sense. You don't use whitening on the long run. Okay. This product also contains fragrance, which is very nice. Contain a mild fragrance, and it also contains this ingredients right here. This is also an antibacterial. See, this product is packed with lots of antibacterial and lots of anti-reaction and the rest. Now, after knowing the ingredients that are used in making this, now let's go to the claims that these products promise to give you. Now, they said it's a 7 days whitening, which is very correct. It's a 7 days whitening. You can use it for your face, you can use it for your body. This is not made for only your face. Okay, you can use this for your face, you can use it for your body. Now, how do you use it in your lotion? You scoop out 200 ml of your body cream and take one of this. Okay, one of these goes for your 200 ml of your body cream. Now, let's say you're making a face cream. This product right here is the 60 ml. If you're making a face cream, if you're using 100 ml, you're taking 30 ml from this. Okay, let's say for example, if you're making a face cream, you're using 100 ml of your face cream. Let's say you're mixing a face cream and you mix other stuff and you get 100 ml. You're using 30 ml of this for your 100 ml of your face cream. Now, if you're making a face cream that is 15 ml, you're taking 15 ml of this for your 15 ml. That's why most of you even say this does not work. It works. It works. Okay, it works and it's active. You're using 15 ml of your face cream. You're taking 15 ml of this and mix with your face cream to get that maximum result. If you want to mix this, okay, if you want to mix this for your body, you can use it. You don't have any problem. But you don't want to use this in a long run. Okay, you don't want to use it in a long run. Now, when it comes to the stuff that it helps to prevent or help to cure, anti-aging is not one of them. Okay, if you're someone that is aged, you're someone that is 30 and above, you don't want to use this in the long run and say, oh, it's anti-aging, I want to use it for anti-aging. No, it will not help you with anti-aging, because steroid will not help with anti-aging. Rather, it would age you. When you use too much steroids in your skincare products, honestly, too much whitening product make you look older. That's the truth. Okay, that's the truth. We know. That's what we say when you're using a whitening product. Give it a break. Treat your skin, feed your skin. I tell you that I'm using my kits, half cast kits, and whitening kits. I give them glowing oils, and those glowing oils contain repair and collagen and other stuff to repair your skin. And when they're using their glowing oil, they don't use their skincare product. That's why, okay? I mean myself, it gets to a time where I stop using whitening products. Like this period, I've not been using whitening product. I'm not going to use any whitening product from now till December. Okay, so if you see me getting dark, just know I'm just using a nourishing lightening product. For example, Melanin Glow. That's what I'm using for now. Okay, just to enrich my skin and make sure my skin look younger, because when you're using too much steroids and too much whitening products, you make you look old. So you're not going to tell me that this is going to give you an anti-aging effect. No, this is not going to give you an anti-aging effect. Now, how long are you going to use this? The maximum run that you can use this is for 2 weeks. Okay, if you want to use it on your skin, maximum use this for 2 weeks. Give it a break for 5 days and then start again. That's if you want to start again. Okay, use this for 2 weeks, give it a break for 5 to 7 days, and then you start again. Now, for those of you that will say, okay, I'm using it for my sunburn, I'm using it for my face, and it cured your sunburn and the rest, what should I use? Now, after using this for your face or after using this for your sunburn, give it a break for the next 2 weeks. Use a non-organic or a synthetic face cream for that your face for the next 1 week or 1 week plus, and then you come back to this one. I don't know if you understand. Then you come back to this one. That's the way you're going to use it. That you're not going to get redness. Some of you are complaining from serious sunburn after using this, that you cured yourself for some time and then your sunburn comes back. Yes, that's it. That's why from the ingredients you're not supposed to use in the long run. Maximum 2 weeks, 7 days to 14 days, which is 2 weeks. After using this for 2 weeks, give it a break and then you come back to it. Okay, give it a break for 1 to 2 weeks and then you come back to this. You are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. You don't use it for a very long time. If you use this for more than 2 weeks, even sometimes if I'm mixing a face cream and I put this, if I use it out of two weeks, my face will start to get red, and before you know it, my face will turn dark. Yes, my face easily get dark than my body. That's normal thing for me. Okay, my face will just get red, and before you know, I'll start to get dark. If I use it for more than 2 weeks, let's say I'm lazing around, I'm like, sometimes it's like that. You're lazing around, I beg, I don't just get way to like make on that product. I might use the user. Before you know, I will start getting dark. But if you give this a break and switch to another product, you will just be good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So just for you to apply wisdom when using steroids and using whitening products, and when using this, it's good for your body to remove rashes, remove spots, remove eczema from your skin. It's very good. Okay, it's very, very good for your body. It's good for your face. It's good for everywhere in general. And I've just explained how to use this. I'm talking too much. This video is already too long. I don't want this video to be too long. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comment section and I will reply you on Sunday, next week Sunday. Today is Sunday. I will reply you next week Sunday. Till I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye.